back to my channel. So today I have a quick review for you from Eva Wigs. I love Eva Wigs, you guys. I'm not gonna ramble. Let me tell you guys exactly what I'm wearing because this is a, you know, show and tell. So I've got the information right here on this little, what was that? On this piece of paper. So I will put the style code right here for you so that you'll have it. And of course, all the info that I read out to you will be in the description box, so you'll have it. But I'm wearing the hair color natural black. It is the deep wave natural black, 150% density wig. The lace color is medium brown. The cap size is large because I've got a larger head, and it is 22 inches. So the thing about this wig, you only get 4.5 inches going from like the middle onto the back. You don't get it all the way around, so it's kind of like a U shape, so you'll get some parting over here. That's why I was able to do a small part right here, and then you'll start noticing the tracks come after that. But here I could have parted all the way about 4.5 inches and would have been fine. So keep that in mind when ordering this wig or wigs in general. You just want to pay attention to that parting space and know exactly what you're getting. So right when I got this wig, the first thing I noticed was the curl pattern. This curl pattern was not one that I had seen before. Really, it's only so many type of textures out there. So when I say textures, I mean like body wave, water wave, that kind of thing. And like each company sort of kind of mimics another one, but you can tell with the quality of it. And that's where you're gonna see the difference. Like, so the ringlets on this wig were, I don't know how to describe them. It reminded me of like natural hair. If you've done natural hair, you've done coils. That's what it reminded me of a bit. This wig is super light, you guys. It is super light, it kind of has like an airy feeling, but it's like, it's a good amount of hair. So it's, you would think that more hair would make it heavier to wear, and it's not. The hair is really light, and it's so soft. Oh my goodness, so soft. So I did bleach the knots on this hair as well. Cap size fits perfectly for me, you guys. It is super comfortable, and that is not the easiest thing for me to come by. So as far as any tangles or shedding, I'm still getting some shedding because I did pluck the front a little bit more, and then I thought I was gonna keep this wig as a middle part. Don't ask me why I thought that. So I did pluck like the middle part to widen that line a little bit, but I didn't even do a middle part, so that just didn't make sense for me to do that. So I am still getting a little bit more of the hair coming out, which I expected that. It's no big deal to me. But yeah, you guys, not too much to say about this wig. I am absolutely in love. If you have any questions or comments or anything like that, please put them down below and I will be sure to answer them. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and support your girl, and follow me on Instagram at jmarie. And that's pretty much it. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.